removing and installing the filter on the YZ250 with the Panthera estart kit and battery in place. It is a tight fit. Some people have said it can't be done, but I didn't have that much trouble. I'm going to remove it first. Using both hands, get underneath the battery. Okay. All right. That's loose. I don't know how everyone's done their wiring, but I do have the wire harness in the way here, so I'm going to move that. Okay. Now, if I recall correctly, it has to go in at this angle. Careful not to rip it on that. There's probably some sharp edges on your subframe. The aluminum. Okay, it is out now. And I did leave the bolt in, so I think Sebastian from Panthera said you need to remove that. I tried and that didn't work, so I'm going to put it in with it in. That way it aligns your hole in the foam filter and the plastic cage. I'm going to put it back in, same way I took it out. Okay, get it down in there first. Then, oops, forgot to get any light, but I can still kind of see. Okay, yep, nothing to it. Then just reach your hands once again, same thing, up under the battery, using both hands to tighten that wing nut or wing bolt. Really, the removal is actually harder than the installation. The installation is super easy. And that's tight. Okay. Okay. Plug the harness back in. And you're done.